Have you ever wished your money could work for you? Imagine if every dollar you saved could multiply on its own, creating more wealth without you having to lift a finger. Imagine your savings growing, even while you sleep. Picture waking up each morning knowing that your money has been busy working hard for you, steadily increasing in value. That's the power of investing. It's not just about putting money aside, it's about making your money work smarter, not harder. It's like planting a seed that grows into a strong tree, giving you shade and fruit for years to come. Just as a tree needs time and care to grow, so does your investment. In this 5-part series, we'll learn how to start investing, even with a little money. You don't need a fortune to begin. You just need the right knowledge and a willingness to start. This first part is about taking that first step. It's about overcoming the fear and uncertainty that often holds us back. We'll cover the basics so you feel ready to plant your money seeds and watch them grow. From understanding different types of investments to knowing how to diversify your portfolio, we'll guide you through it all. No more waiting on the sidelines. It's time to take action and make your money work for you. It's time to take control of your money and start building a brighter future. Whether you're saving for a home, your children's education, or your retirement, investing can help you reach your goals. This isn't about getting rich quick. It's about making smart, informed decisions that will pay off in the long run. Investing is a slow and steady journey. It's about patience, persistence, and making the right choices over time. But it's the surest way to build real wealth over time. With each passing day, your investments can grow, bringing you closer to financial freedom. So, are you ready to become an investor? Let's get started. Together, we'll embark on this journey to grow your money and secure your financial future. Why is investing so important? It's a question many people ask, especially when they are just starting to think about their financial future. Think of it like this. Imagine you have a job where you work hard every single day, putting in long hours and effort to earn your paycheck. You work hard for your money, right? But what if your money could also work hard for you, even while you sleep or enjoy your free time? Investing helps your money work hard for you. It's like planting a seed and watching it grow into a tree that bears fruit year after year. When you invest, you buy a small piece of something that you hope will grow in value. This could be stocks, bonds, or other financial instruments. This could be a company, real estate, or even precious metals. Each type of investment has its own potential for growth and risk. As these investments grow, so does your money. Over time, the value of your investments can increase significantly, providing you with a substantial return. It's like earning money without actually working extra hours. Imagine being able to enjoy your life more, knowing that your investments are growing in the background. This is called passive income, and it's a key to building long-term wealth. Passive income allows you to earn money without having to actively work for it. Investing also helps you fight inflation. Inflation is the gradual increase in prices over time, which can erode the purchasing power of your money. Over time, things get more expensive. Everyday items like groceries, utilities, and other essentials can cost more, reducing what your money can buy. Your dollar today won't buy as much tomorrow. This is why it's crucial to invest, so your money can grow and keep up with rising costs. But investing helps your money grow faster than inflation, so your purchasing power stays strong. By making smart investment choices, you can ensure that your financial future remains secure and prosperous. Ready to start investing? It's easier than you think. First, you need a solid financial foundation. That means getting out of debt and building an emergency fund. Think of it like this. You wouldn't plant a tree in a hurricane, right? You need calm weather first. Once you're financially secure, you can start investing. A great place to begin is with a 401k or Roth IRA. These are retirement accounts that offer tax advantages, helping your money grow even faster. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Start small and gradually increase your contributions. Even a little bit each month can make a big difference over time. Now, the fun part. Choosing your investments. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. A good starting point is low-cost index funds. These funds pool money from many investors to buy a basket of stocks or bonds, giving you instant diversification. Diversification simply means spreading your money across different investments. This reduces your risk because if one investment does poorly, others can cushion the blow. Remember, investing involves risk. There's no guarantee you'll make money, and you could even lose some. But over the long term, the stock market has historically gone up. So be patient, stay invested, and ride out the ups and downs. Common questions. Simple answers. Feeling a little overwhelmed? That's okay. It's completely normal to feel a bit lost when you're starting out with investing. The world of finance can seem like a maze, but with a little guidance, you'll find your way. Investing can seem confusing at first. There are so many terms, strategies, and options that it can be hard to know where to begin. But don't worry, we're here to help. Here are answers to some common beginner questions that many new investors have. How much do I need to start investing? This is a question that almost every new investor asks. The good news is, you don't need a lot of money to get started. You can start with as little as $50 with some online platforms. This small amount can help you get your feet wet and start learning the ropes. The important thing is to start somewhere. Just like planting a tree, the sooner you start, the sooner you can enjoy the benefits. Even small investments can grow over time, thanks to the power of compound interest. When is the best time to invest? This is another common question. The best time to start was yesterday. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. But don't worry if you haven't started yet. The second best time is today. It's never too late to start investing. The key is to take action and not procrastinate. The longer you wait, the more potential growth you might miss out on. Don't wait for the perfect moment. There will always be reasons to hesitate, but the perfect moment rarely comes. The best approach is to start now and learn as you go. What if I need my money back? This is a valid concern. Most investments have a degree of liquidity, meaning you can sell them and get your money back, minus any potential losses. It's important to understand the liquidity of your investments before you commit. This means that while you can access your money, the value might fluctuate. It's crucial to be aware of this and plan accordingly. Having a diversified portfolio can help manage this risk. Remember, there's no such thing as a stupid question. Everyone starts somewhere, and asking questions is a great way to learn. Don't be afraid to seek help and clarify your doubts. If you're unsure about something, ask a financial advisor. They can provide personalized advice based on your financial situation and goals. Or do your research. There are plenty of resources available, from books to online courses and seminars. Knowledge is power when it comes to investing. The more you know, the better decisions you can make. Don't be scared of the stock market. The stock market can seem scary with its constant ups and downs, but don't let fear keep you from investing. Remember, the stock market is like a roller coaster. It has its thrills and dips, but over time, it generally goes up. Instead of fearing the dips, see them as opportunities to buy more of your favorite investments at a discount. This is called buying the dip, and it can supercharge your long-term returns. Remember, investing is a long game. Don't panic sell when the market drops. Stay calm, stick to your plan, and watch your investments grow over time. Learn more, earn more. Investing is a journey of continuous learning. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make smart investment decisions. Luckily, there are tons of resources available to help you. Read books, listen to podcasts, and attend seminars. There are countless resources specifically designed for beginner investors. Don't be afraid to ask for help either. Talk to a financial advisor or a trusted friend who's knowledgeable about investing. Your future starts now. Investing is not just about growing your money. It's about building a brighter future for yourself and your loved ones. It's about achieving your financial goals, whether it's buying a house, retiring early, or leaving a legacy for your children. Every dollar you invest is a step towards a more secure and fulfilling future. So, don't wait another day. Start your investing journey today and watch your dreams turn into reality. Remember, the power to create a better future is in your hands. Start investing today and watch your money grow along with your dreams. Ready for the next step? Congratulations on taking the first step towards financial freedom. You've learned the basics of investing and you're ready to start growing your money. But this is just the beginning. In the next part of this series, we'll dive deeper into different investment strategies. We'll explore how to choose the right investments for your goals and risk tolerance. Get ready to take your investing knowledge to the next level. Don't miss out on the next exciting chapter in your investing journey. Stay tuned for part 2 of Investing for Beginners, where we'll unlock even more secrets to building lasting wealth. Check out these recommended videos for more help. Also hit that subscribe and like button. It helps me know I'm doing a good job.